Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix high ping in Apex Legends. So the first step, what you need to do here is you need to test your internet connection. There is a lot of websites like Speedtest or other, and you need to make sure that you have good internet connection and speed and consistent internet. So if you don't have it, then maybe limit some devices or restart your router and just make your internet better if it's possible, right? And if your internet connection is quite good, then I will show you other steps that you need to do here. So first of all, what you need to do here is you need to open up command prompt or CMD, and then right click on it, go to run as administrator, press yes, and here on this command basically line, you need to just write IP config / flush DNS. And after you successfully flash DNS, you need to restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. So another step that you need to do here, on your system tray or control panel, you should find your internet access here. So you need to right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then you need to go to advanced network settings here, and then you need to go to more network adapter options, and then the first step, what you need to do here is to disable your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection for a few seconds and then enable again. Just leave it for from 5 to 10 seconds here, and after it loads up and you have again internet access, you can go to just press right click and go to properties, and then make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled here, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then on here select use the following DNS server addresses here, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4. and after that apply the changes, restart your computer, and then you should have a better basically connection and less ping when you play Apex Legends. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.